In a small village, there lived a boy named Arjun. He had big dreams in his eyes, but his circumstances were very simple. He belonged to a poor family where even getting to meals a day was a struggle. Arjun dreamed of becoming a successful businessman and lifting his parents out of poverty. Arjun decided to move to the city and do something big. But he had no money. He started doing small jobs, selling newspapers, working at a tea stall, and reading books in his free time. Every day, he learned something new and worked hard to achieve his dreams, but challenges were not ready to give up so easily. He was fired from jobs multiple times, people mocked him, and there were days when he had to sleep hungry. However, Arjun never gave up. One day, he got an opportunity to become a partner in a small business. He invested all his savings and worked hard. But the business suffered a loss, and he was completely shattered. It was the biggest setback of his life. But Arjun didn't give up. He thought, what is the difference between successful people and us? Only their perspective and patience. He started again, this time with new lessons and a fresh strategy. He read the success stories of great businessmen, took inspiration from them, and kept working hard. Slowly, his small business started growing. After a few years, that same small business turned into a big company. Now, the same people who once mocked him started coming to him for advice. In an interview, when Arjun was asked what is the secret to success, he smiled and replied, the biggest secret to success is never give up. Even when people consider you a failure, keep believing in yourself and continue working hard. Every failure has a lesson hidden in it. That lesson will lead you to the peak of success. Today, Arjun is not just a successful person but an inspiration to millions. His story teaches us that if you work with a true heart, never give up, and learn from every failure, success will definitely come your way one day. Never give up. Learn from failure. Hard work and patience make anything possible. Believe in yourself to achieve your dreams. Success comes only to those who pursue it with complete honesty and dedication.